Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to highlight odd and even numbers in Excel. This is a really useful technique for data analysis and can make your spreadsheets much easier to read. In this video, we'll cover two main methods, using conditional formatting with formulas and using Excel tables with calculated columns. We'll break down each step, so even if you're new to Excel, you'll be able to follow along. Before we dive in, if you're finding these Excel tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tutorials. It really helps us out and lets us know what content you want to see. Okay, let's get started with the first method, conditional formatting. Transition to screen recording of Excel. Alright, so here we have a sample dataset, a simple list of numbers. The goal is to automatically highlight the even numbers in one color and the odd numbers in another. First, select the range of cells containing the numbers you want to format. Don't select the headers, just the data itself. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now, this is where the magic happens. We're going to use the ISID and ISEVEN functions. Let's start with highlighting the odd numbers. In the formula bar, type =ISID A1. Replace A1 with the first cell in your selected range. What this formula does is check if the value in the cell is odd. If it is, the formula returns true, and conditional formatting will apply the formatting we define. Now click on the Format button. Here you can choose the formatting you want to apply to odd numbers. Let's say we want to fill the cell with a light blue color. Go to the Fill tab, select a light blue color, and then click OK. Click OK again in the New Formatting Rule dialog box. And just like that, all the odd numbers in your range are now highlighted in light blue. Now, let's do the same for even numbers. Select your range again, go to Conditional Formatting-New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. This time in the formula bar, type =ISEVEN A1. Again, replace A1 with the first cell in your selected range. This formula checks if the value is even. Click on Format, go to the Fill tab, and let's choose a light green color for even numbers. Click OK, and then OK again. Great. Now you have all your odd numbers highlighted in light blue and all your even numbers highlighted in light green. If you change any of the numbers in the range, the highlighting will automatically update, which is super useful. Short pause. Okay, so that's how to do it with conditional formatting and formulas. Now let's move on to the second method, using Excel tables and calculated columns. This method can be especially helpful if you're working with larger datasets or if you want to perform other calculations based on whether a number is odd or even. Transition to screen recording of Excel with a new dataset. Here we have another list of numbers. First, we need to convert this range into an Excel table. Select your entire range, including the header. Go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Excel will automatically detect the range and confirm that My Table Has Headers is checked. Click OK. Now you have a formatted Excel table. One of the great things about tables is that they automatically expand when you add new data. Next, we're going to add a calculated column. Click on any cell within the table. Go to the Table Design tab, which only appears when you have a cell selected in the table. In the last column of the table, the one directly to the right of your data, type in a new column header, for example, odd/even. Now, click in the first cell of the odd/even column. We're going to use an if statement combined with the ISID or ISEVEN functions. Type in the following formula, =if ISID at numbers, odd even. Replace numbers with the name of the column that contains your numerical data. Excel uses structured references within tables. What this formula does is, if the number in the numbers column is odd ISID, then display the text odd. Otherwise, meaning it's even, display the text even. Press Enter. Excel automatically fills the entire odd/even column with odd or even depending on the value in the corresponding numbers column. Now we can use this column for filtering, sorting, or even for conditional formatting. Select the numbers column again. Go to Home-Conditional Formatting-New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. For highlighting odd numbers, the formula would be equals, at odd/even equals odd. Format it with light blue, just like before. Click OK. And for highlighting even numbers, repeat the process with the formula equals, at odd/even equals even, and light green fill. Click OK. Voila! You've now highlighted your odd and even numbers using an Excel table and a calculated column. The advantage here is that you can easily add more numbers to your table, and the odd/even column and the conditional formatting will automatically update. Short pause. So there you have it. 2 different ways to highlight odd and even numbers in Excel. Both methods are effective, but the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and the size of your dataset. Conditional formatting with formulas is great for simpler scenarios, while Excel tables with calculated columns are more powerful for larger, dynamic datasets. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.